Hello, everybody, and welcome to this sneak peek of tomorrow's webinar. I have Judah here, and he's actually the co-founder of Archer. I don't know if you guys know about Archer, but it's kind of been blowing up everywhere, and it's a great way to make extra commissions on top of what we're doing with Shopper videos, Amazon live streams, and just like we do with Logi, with Thrashio, with Purge, and all the other opportunities. This one is just another one. It's a little bit different, but that's why I got Judah on here. He's gonna explain really what is Archer, how it works, how kosher it is with Amazon, and it is. It's very kosher, perfectly compatible with Amazon. And so he'll talk about how it works, how to get links, how to get samples, and how to get paid. And by the way, if you guys don't have Archer yet, there's a link right there. The link is utechpia.com/Archer. This is a special link that will get you guys approved or get vetted to be approved ASAP. The tip to get approved is make sure you fill it out completely, get your bio in there, get all your links because they do check that you actually have your content out there and you are a content creator. So make sure you fill it out. So again, the link is utechpia.com/Archer and the link is down below. So go ahead and sign up for that because we're gonna get expedited approval. We'll get your account approved for tomorrow. And tomorrow we're going to have a detailed webinar where you guys can come in and ask questions and get answer from Judah himself because Judah's going to do a little sneak peek today. But we'll get into the nitty gritty, the details tomorrow. And make sure you sign up for that webinar too. The link for that is utechpia.com/Archer webinar. And the link is down below as well. So I'm going to hand it off to Judah and he's going to explain all those things that we talked about. And I'll jump in there to clarify it and ask questions too. But we're going to make this short, but tomorrow will be the detailed one. Judah, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me. I'm really excited to be on this webinar tomorrow with all of you guys. Happy to give some more insight on what we're doing at Archer. A little more context. I know there's a lot of misunderstandings, a little bit new programs. Everybody's trying to figure out, well, what do we do? What's going on? How does this work? I'm happy to give you the context from the top. I'm a co-founder of Archer with my co-founder David. We started this. The company only started June last year. The platform itself only really launched in February. So this is a really new platform. Is the reason why you guys haven't heard about us so much, or there's not so much material online about us. We're not hiding. We're new. We've also kept ourselves a little bit under wraps as we've really been building this out and building the whole product out. And we're really excited. The growth has been tremendous recently, and we're really excited to have all you guys join. And the future is really bright with Archer. And fundamentally, just give a basic context, a top level, what Archer is. As an affiliate, you're promoting Amazon products. You're getting that Amazon associate commission. Amazon's great. Your conversion rates are amazing. Everybody's got the Prime ready to go, and it's awesome. But at the end of the day, you're getting pretty small commissions relative to what you're getting from other retailers and other platforms. And people sort of take that for granted. Not take it for granted. This is how it is. People just take it for how it is, and they're a little frustrated with it. But that's the status quo. And what Archer is here is to really solve that, and in a very, very simple way. What Archer does is we directly connect you with Amazon sellers who are looking to incentivize you to promote their products. Right? They're just trying to get more sales. They're simple people. They just want more sales, and they're going to offer you really high commissions. Okay, our average commission is 18%. Okay, that's the last month and it's actually going up. The average was like 16 the month before. It's going up. Okay, that's real. 18%. I know it sounds like a typo or something. Okay, that's real. Okay, and this is all funded 100% by the Amazon seller, and it's a very, very simple platform. Once you're approved, it's exactly like Amazon Associates in a lot of ways, like the infrastructure of how it's set up. Once you're approved, you could create a link to any product. You don't need to get individual approvals from each brand. It's instantly creating instantly creating a link to any product, and then you have that full creative freedom to promote whatever you want, whenever you want. It's very, very simple, and then you get payout once a month from Archer, from all of the commissions from all the brands in Archer. Again, this is totally separate. I'll dive a little bit more into this tomorrow. This is a totally separate commission from the seller. This is not anything to do with Amazon's associates commission. Okay, this is totally separate. The links itself are separate, and we'll talk about potentially how there's a way to combine maybe your associates links and your Archer links. But Archer links that's something we'll talk about tomorrow. I know you're very excited about that potentially, but it's a totally separate commission. It's fully funded by the seller, and Archer takes care of all all the communication with the seller. I mean, the Archer is built to build relationships with sellers, but in a very streamlined way. So it's very, very simple. And I know there's questions about the TOS compliancy, and Archer's 1000% compliant with the Amazon TOS. We're in touch with the Amazon team. We've looked through every single line in terms of service. It says 1000%. I know people have some negative associations with programs from years past, and I totally understand that. Archer is literally 1000% TOS compliant, so there's nothing to be concerned about there. That I know was very important for people to hear, and I could say that with full confidence. There's nothing to be concerned about there. This is just a way for you guys to increase your commissions on Amazon. If you have any other things you would like to add, I think that's really like the teaser that we want to like bring out, because I'll be around for a full hour tomorrow on the webinar. Be happy to answer all your guys' questions, give you the context from high up, just how this all works. I know also people are interested in like product samples and promo codes. So that's also a very simple feature we did just to streamline these relationships with sellers, where you could request a promo code or a product sample, and the seller has the ability to either, send it out to you right away, or if they don't feel like you're a right fit for their products, your audience is not the right fit for their products, then they'll decline it. But it's just a helpful way of, instead of trying to reach out to the brand and trying to find that one person who's going to be able to send out a sample to you and deal with the logistics, Archer just streamlines that whole thing. So again, I want to just review. Archer is just a way to facilitate relationships with Amazon sellers. We're very revenue focused. Okay, this is not a platform built for UGC content. Okay, I know that's definitely nice and that's great. It's not what Archer's built for. Archer's very much built for generating sales and getting really, really high commissions. Okay, you create a link immediately to any product in Archer and immediately make really, really good commissions. But it's not about getting a sample and then making a great UGC content video and that's it. What we're looking for really is sales, and we back up the talk. I mean, the commissions are ridiculous. Okay, there was a product added yesterday that has a 52% commission. Okay, this is real. This is real money. I know we're always looking for ways to increase our income, guys. This is like crazy commissions. So that's really what Archer's about. It's all very simple. I know it's a new program. It seems complicated. How does it work? Be happy to answer your questions tomorrow. This is as simple as it gets. It's commissions coming from the Amazon seller. So you do your job and you get paid for every single, exactly what you get out of it.
That's perfect. I love it. And just so clarification for people that are kind of on the same path as me, because we are content creators and making the majority of our money from on-site, right? And you would think, okay, so if Archer is all about this Archer link that you create and it's for off-site, how am I going to really monetize it? Is it going to help me? And I already found ways that it's going to help me. Right? You can write blogs, you can do YouTube videos, you can post it on your Instagram, all that. And if you have a weak offsite, this is more reason why you need to grow your offsite, because the commissions are ridiculous. And you can even do like deal groups and build this rapport with your audience and really become a true influencer where you can give them good deals and they look up to you, they'll follow you for all that. So all that is part of the offsite journey, and you can kind of combine both. And correct me if I'm wrong, Judah, they can request a sample, they can really push their offsite content, but that doesn't stop them from making a shop video and earn on-site commission. So it's like a win-win. You get and some of these products are really nice. I already requested a Serene Life AC that's worth $300. It's pretty sweet. And I like to compare like ACs and fans and heaters and all that. I think it's gonna be fantastic. So this is just another avenue where we can make a lot of money and get free samples to create content. And ultimately, this is another stepping stone to get off of being stuck on Amazon platform only. Because even if we get our Amazon account banned, and I mean, because it's happened to me 3 times, right? You can still work with Archer because remember, this is just a seller attribution link. So you can always grab these seller attribution link from Archer and promote products and get paid from Archer because it all comes from the brand side. So correct me if I'm wrong, Judah, but does that all
Exactly.
sound?
That's exactly all of our links. I will get more into the details tomorrow.
Yeah,
All of our links are these seller attribution links. And what that means is that our platform is only Amazon products. But yes, if you are banned from associates for whatever silly reason that may be, I know usually it's like really silly reasons. You are 100% eligible for Archer under 100% terms of service. It's 100% eligible. And yeah, it's a very straightforward process here. I would also like even harp on even more about the offsite traffic. I know some people are trying to start their offsite traffic. It's a little bit new to them. They're not as successful as they would like. You're looking at your view count, your likes. Those are all important. But guys, remember, you're used to getting 3% commissions from Amazon. If you're promoting a product that has a 21% commission, that's 7 times what you're normally getting. So if I'm doing my math right, correct me if I'm wrong, you only need to get 1/7 of the amount of sales,
Yep.
okay, to get the same commission. Okay, because at the end of the day, what you guys are focused on is that net commission dollar amount that you're getting at the end of the day. And that means you don't only need to be 1/7 as successful as you are on site to do offsite as successful. Okay. If you're half as good offsite as you are on site, you're making 3 times the amount of money. Okay. So, like, guys, even if you're not as comfortable here, as confident, as successful, this is the great opportunity for you guys to wade your feet into the water here, because this is like, I mean, money talks. I want to be classy, but at the end of the day, this is built for you guys to succeed, and we want to just offer all the tools necessary to build you guys to give you the tools to succeed.
I love it. And like in the example I mentioned, it's not like jumping off the stepping stone because you can still create your Shoppo videos and still make sales. And this will be a great opportunity to do both because you want the income to come in from the Shoppo videos, but now you get the sample and you want to make the brand happy and build that brand relationship with the brand, make some UCG content on other platforms, and really construct yourself as a full all-around real influencer. Not that Amazon influence is not real, but like we want to be known in other platforms just because when Amazon shuts you down, if they do, because I've been shut down multiple times, there's a way to keep generating money. So I just this is great opportunity for to get people off the Amazon platform, but at the same time, it's a great stepping stone because they can still use these samples to make the Shoppo videos and earn commission both ways. And there's ways that we can combine the links too. And there's so much to talk about. We're gonna save that for tomorrow. But you guys, I told you that this would be like a 10 minute. We're already at the 10-minute mark. So we're just gonna wrap up this teaser today. But that's why we have a special affiliate sign up link. So go and sign up. It's at utechpia.com/archer. That is an affiliate link, but there's a special one because I told Judah we're gonna expedite all these approvals so that you guys can get in your accounts by tomorrow morning and look at the products, look at the platform, see how it works, and then we have our webinar tomorrow at noon Pacific time or 3 p.m. Eastern time. Again, sign up for that webinar. That's the 1 hour webinar where you guys can join in and ask questions. To sign up for that webinar is utechpia.com/Archer webinar. We're just going to just talk and get all your questions answered by Judah. So that's pretty much what this teaser is all about. I hope you guys are excited as I am because this is another opportunity to make money, and this will be the beginning of our community learning about this. So ride the wave. I mean, we always talked about how Logi products are oversaturated, or Thrasho, or Perch, or all the other Wahoo, and everything else is oversaturated. Well, that's because you came in later. This is the time to get in on this one right now, and maybe this is going to be the biggest one. So who knows? But opportunity is here, guys. I would not hesitate to sign up because I want you guys to succeed. And Judah wants you guys to succeed. The brand want to succeed. So I think we're gonna all win if we take advantage of this platform. So that's all I gotta say.
Absolutely.
Judah, anything you want to say to wrap it up?
And I'm just excited to see you all on the webinar tomorrow, and excited to answer all your questions and help you guys get onboarded, and any way we could do to help you guys. I would say, just to finish off the call, like, Archer is very much built for the affiliate. Like, we listen to what you guys say, what you guys want, like the product sample feature, the promo code feature. There's so many different features. You could ask all of the active people on Archer right now. Like, we listen to your feedback and we actually build what you guys want. Okay, we're not building like something that we think is cool but is not actually going to be useful to our clients. Okay, so if you guys have feedback that you're like, this is great, but we need this, we need that, we need this to be a little bit more convenient, we listen and we actually take action. Okay, because we're partners here together, and looking forward to seeing you on the webinar and looking forward to hearing from you all.
You know what? Your question to open up to influencers and listening to all of us is awesome. Like I have an idea. I have a question already. I'm just gonna just ask my question. Don't answer it. Maybe you'll answer tomorrow. But influencers as affiliate, we cannot post our links in places that's not trackable. We can't post it in private message. We can't post it in emails. We have to disclose where we post it. Do we have to do that with Archer links? I don't know. Maybe you'll give us information about that because that will be very different strategy on how to promote links and get these amazing commissions without having to always worry about disclosing it with Amazon. So
Absolutely. Looking forward to just talking about this more tomorrow.
awesome, awesome. Like I'm fired up, guys. So sign up again. It's utechpia.com/archer to get approved so that you can get in the platform. And then for the webinar tomorrow, it's at noon Pacific time or 3 p.m. if you're on the East Coast. It's utechpia.com/archer webinar. If you miss it, there will be a recording, but you guys don't want to miss it because you want to be able to ask your question. And that's what Judah is going to be there for tomorrow, Friday, December 22nd at 12 p.m. Pacific time or 3 p.m. if you're on the East Coast. Judah, thank you for spending time with me, and I'm excited for tomorrow.
I'm excited too. Looking
All right,
forward.
well, we'll see you guys all tomorrow.